how's it going? It's Brittany. Good evening. If y'all are new here, welcome. If y'all are not, welcome back. Today we are going to be starting our carrot seeds. This is the purple snacks variety. They're supposed to be really good and super sweet. I have my rows started right here. Let me show you. So see, I have them marked off by those green poles right here. And we're just going to go to about halfway in the middle of the bed. The rest of this is going to be peppers. And I'm just going to take these and I'm just going to sprinkle them down these rows. Let me see if I can do this. I didn't bring my tripod, so this should be interesting. Let me see. Okay, so I'm just going to... They were kind of bunched up right there. Sorry about the extra noises. My husband is currently filling my other bed. We're using dirt from our farm, and I'm super blessed to have that because it is really rich in nutrients. Sorry. And we have grown produce in here for years, so I love to use it. Sorry, I kind of sprinkled my seeds right here so I could just pinch them. And I'm super blessed. That way I don't have to go try to buy that much soil. So I'm just going to lightly cover these. Just like that. And yeah, there are a few weeds, but I just pull them out. Okay, and there's one row. Now I'm going to go ahead and get these other three done, and then we will be right back so we can water them and finish up this other bed and check on our garlic. All right, y'all, our carrots are planted and we're going to go ahead and get them watered. And we're also going to water our garlic. Let's check them out. Here are our garlic plants. I need to fertilize again. See that yellow one? I'll probably do that tomorrow, but I'm going to give them a little water today. I'm going to have to pull those in June, I believe. We're just going to give our carrot seeds a good drink, and I'm going to come out here and water this every day. That way they can germinate. I wish this was one of those things that I could start in the house like I do my other products, like my tomatoes and my peppers and stuff. But that's all right. This is the first year that I've grown carrots, much less this variety. So hopefully it's as good as they say it is. Okay, now we're going to go over here and see where these posts are. We are going to fence this in and put a couple of more posts this way because last year I had a problem with the deer starting to eat my tomatoes because we go through droughts here in this part of Texas, and there was really nothing for them to eat, so I don't blame them, but I would rather not feed them my tomatoes. So right now we are... I don't. It was over there. So right now we are figuring out how we're going to go about doing that before it is time to plant the little bitty plants. Sorry if I keep getting a little sidetracked, y'all. My dog's running around out here. My little one's running around here. I'm about to go over here and smooth this other bed out. But I just wanted to plant these carrot seeds with y'all. And kind of get this growing season really started. I'm going to finish this up and probably go in and just find something to cook up for dinner. Y'all have a great evening. Next video, I will be making and canning baked beans. So join me for that. I'll catch you next time.